GLP-1 drugs for weight loss are everywhere, and Telehealth promises easy access to them. But the FDA warns some online fakes contain insulin instead of the weight loss drug, a potentially fatal swap. To sell these, scammers use AI deepfakes of doctors and celebrities, creating fake endorsements. This online gold rush has created a minefield of dangerous products and financial traps. You can protect yourself. We're giving you 10 specific questions that will expose these scams instantly. First, the most vital question. What does your medical evaluation involve? A real provider requires a deep review of your health history and labs. If they only use a brief online questionnaire, it's a massive red flag. They are not screening you for serious health risks. Without proper medical supervision, patients risk pancreatitis, gallbladder failure, and dangerous drug interactions. Question 2. Where is your pharmacy located, and is it licensed in my state? Scammers often hide behind shell companies with no valid U.S. address. Question 3. Why is your price so low? If it seems too good to be true, like under $300 a month, it is almost certainly a counterfeit or illegal import. Those first 3 questions spot basic fraud. Now, we must go deeper into a legal loophole that nearly all of them exploit. You will see the word compounded used constantly. In a moment, you'll understand what that really means for the drug you're injecting into your body. Compounded drugs are not FDA approved. This means the agency has not verified their safety, effectiveness, or quality before they are sold to you. Sellers mislead you by calling these generic Ozempic or claiming they are FDA approved. This is false. They're abusing a regulatory loophole. This leads to a huge danger: massive dosing errors. With compounded drugs, patients have accidentally injected 10 to 20 times the correct dose. Brand name injector pens are designed to be foolproof, delivering precise microdoses. Drawing from a vial with a tiny syringe is very hard to do safely. This brings us to question 4. Is this medication compounded? If so, from what pharmacy and with what ingredients? Their answer reveals everything. Scammers know you are wary, so they are using technology to trick you. AI deepfake videos of trusted health figures are flooding social media. Watch for visual glitches, unnatural speech, or promises that sound too good to be true, even from a face you think you recognize. Question 5 is for when they contact you first. How did you get my number? Real medical providers do not send spam texts claiming you're pre-qualified. Question 6 exposes financial traps. What are all of the fees involved? Scams lure you with a low price, then add hidden fees and lock-in subscriptions. You can spot fake ads and hidden charges. But the most dangerous scams are hidden in the chemistry of the drug itself. We asked what compounded means for your safety. It can mean the company is using chemically different and unproven versions of the active ingredient. Some pharmacies use semaglutide salts, like semaglutide sodium. These have different chemical structures and have no human safety or efficacy data. Other illegal sellers bypass rules by labeling vials for research purposes only. They are selling you a lab chemical, not an actual medicine. This leads to a highly specific and powerful question. Number 7. What is the exact chemical name of the active ingredient you are using? And question 8. How can I verify the authenticity of the product I receive? A legitimate provider can give you lot numbers and packaging details. Now, let's put it together. A provider who skips a medical consult per question 1 is far more likely to push non-approved compounded drugs from question 4. And that too good to be true price from question 3? It often comes from using cheap, unproven chemical salt forms from question 7. This reveals question 9. What does my follow-up care and monitoring look like? Scammers take your money and disappear. Real services provide ongoing support. Finally, question 10 protects your identity. How is my personal health and payment information protected? Many of these sites are fronts for data theft. These 10 questions about the consult, pharmacy, price, compounding, contact, fees, ingredients, verification, follow-up, and data are your shield. This is a widespread issue. The FDA has sent thousands of warning letters to firms for illegal and misleading marketing of these very drugs. Dangerous scams are everywhere. But asking the right questions changes you from a potential victim into an informed consumer. Your health is worth it. Use these questions. Share this video with anyone considering online GLP-1s. And if you spot a scam, report it to the FDA's MedWatch program. Stay safe.